Oh, got him, got him. Nice keeper-sized butterlip. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out fishing the Carlsbad Lagoon, also known as Agua Hedionda, right at first light. The SoCal weather was absolutely perfect, the water was calm, and the bite was on. I've been blessed with 2 back-to-back solid fishing sessions here at the lagoon, and it's a reminder why I'll always return. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel. Please like, share, and sub. It really helps the channel grow. Alright, let's get right into it. Dang, that was a far cast. Alright, time to catch a fish. Yeah, I got one on. Got a little calico. And my other rod's getting hit. Caught a little calico. Alright, caught a calico. Oh yeah, I might have something on. No, it doesn't feel like it. Yeah, I got something on. What do we have here? Another calico, back-to-back calicos. Let go. Back-to-back calicos. Yeah, I caught 2 right away. Oh, got him, got him. Oh, nice butterlip. Yeah, that one's a nice meaty one. Yeah, that's the keeper size, huh? I know, I wasn't sure driving here if we were gonna get any action or not, but so far so good. Oh shit. That looked like a pretty good hit. Oh shit. Man, what the heck do I have on here? My guess is an Opaleye. Yeah. Let's see what this is. Oh, nice. Another big butterlip. Dang, this is a...
What'd you say, Joe?
Dang, my second. That one barely like 8 feet out. I was...
Shit, man.
That's a big one, huh?
Nice, bro.
Catch number 4 is a nice butterlip. That's a big one. See, I just went right here. Oh, look. Just right there. I'm getting bites again already. Fish may be on, or he took my shrimp. I just had some good bites again. He took my shrimp. Yeah, it's that magic shrimp, man. Nice. Oh, I saw that. Okay, let me put this down. Oh, the big bite? Oh yeah, I saw that one. That mug was hungry. Good thing they're still hungry.
6.
Oh, damn.
Oh, shit.
I might have something on there. Yeah, he's on. He's on. I threw that one pretty far out, probably like 30 feet out. Oh, he came off when I was in the kelp. It's that kelp, when you're dragging him through the kelp, he came off.
That's why I go without. Once you get to that kelp rock,
Unless I had 2 on. I don't know, the Calico. I feel like I had 2 on maybe. Release this guy. See this one? I'm gonna let soak way out there.
yeah, I need to get one of those.
Oh, I got something tiny. Like super tiny. Like, oh, I caught one of your fish. Tiny little perch. We're just tossing the same fish back and forth. And no, that's a good fighter. There must be a pocket of them because I'm getting bites too. Dang, my lugworm rod's getting hit.
That was a worm?
Yeah. Then we're getting some action. Yeah, I could hear it. Is that me or you? That's me, huh? I don't feel nothing but seaweed.
Huh?
I don't feel nothing. Oh yeah, I do feel something. This feels like a stingray. This feels like a ray. It's either a ray or he's stuck in kelp. Alright, I'm over that kelp. Should gain on him right here. My gut reaction, the lack of fight. It's a ray. Unless it's a shark or... I think I'm dragging kelp with it.
Oh, yeah.
I think there's a fish in there though.
Huh?
Yeah, there's a fish in there. One of those big wrasse. Man, that's a nice size one. I caught that dude way up there. Check it. Nice, nice. Nice, huh? A little calico? Okay, some live action. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, shit.
No. I was getting bites on both rods. Even on this one.
That's the one you're tossing in?
Yeah, that's the lugworm. Try the fake plastic on one of the rods. I might have something on. Feel a little resistance. Oh, coming through the kelp patch again. It's always the dangerous part. Oh, I lost whatever I had on. It's about the second or third fish I've lost pulling them through the kelp. That sucks. I lost them in the kelp. I have a little baby on. Dang, came off. lost so many fish today. He was little.
Yeah, I was reading on it. They say that the meat's supposed to be sweet. At least we still got some. What is it? Is that a whitefish?
Right there. That's where I want it.
See?
Oh,
The
dang.
Big hook, the big hook works. God damn, Jim.
Dang. That's a huge butterlip. Nice keeper sized butterlip.
As soon as you said next to the cup, I pulled it right. Good shit, bro.
Oh, nice one, huh?
Expert now, man.
You don't have any? No. Here you go.
Alright, thank you.
You cut them in pieces, then you'll.
Yeah, alright.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
Alright, thank you guys.
All right, man. Good luck.
Well, I'm gonna reel mine in. I think it's done. It's time to call it a day.
Yeah.
Time to pack it up. Not a bad morning session. Alright everyone, that wraps up another awesome fun day of fishing. I ended up catching 10 fish total this morning and lost about 3 or 4. All keepers were cooked and enjoyed the very same day. That always makes the experience even more special. Lugworms and cut shrimp were the bait of the day. Thank each and every one of you for watching. Please like, share, and sub to help grow the channel. Until next time, tight lines, peace, and blessings to all.